all alone, the next moment you own. Everybody wanna know, said everybody wanna know. The way they change is equivalent. Every time I'm sitting in the same spot but writing different. It's hard to concentrate with so many bad bitches with bad intentions. So people listen, yeah, so people listen.
Check it. Before I step to the mic to rip it, kill it, I resurrected the realest. Got my inspiration, just waited to put my 2 cents in. Yeah, but hating motherfuckers try to bring me down. I'll never stop, why do that? I'm here to put my state on. I'ma hold it down, I got my demons. I relay what they say, I don't front, no way. I looked up above and saw a plan for me. I'ma bring my homies with and that's all of me. I'm just spitting trill shit so y'all can get to know me, but y'all will never know me.
Y'all don't know what it is to walk in my shoes. Y'all don't know why I do the things that I do. Y'all don't know me and how I stay so damn true. Y'all don't know me.
Yeah, I'm that lyrical criminal rapping for residuals, sending subliminals to your cranials. Sent from my pineal gland, damn. My flow's an honor roll when you stuck in remedial, man. AUV, my team's about to blow up globally. My metaphors are biblically close to the recipe. I practice rap like an addict, but to me it's just habitual, see? Yeah, I'm that bad dude, about to blow up and be on the map soon. Or go get it in a world that never wills and has-beens. I'm spitting fire on this flow, call me a dragon. Give me the mic and you'll never know what'll happen. This is me, with my team AUV. Watch us climb to the top and change not a damn thing. If you don't get it, I'll slow it down so our mentals can't sink. Like I'm using ESP, out of your world you can see. It's one of my luxuries, I use it for good and other means. I mean hell, Jesus died for us to fuck up and learn from stupid things that we want and quote need. But only one man can do so much, so come and ride along with me. I've been keeping it trill since 93, you feel me? Every man pays his own dance and that's real G.
Y'all don't know what it is to walk in my shoes. Y'all don't know why I do the things that I do. Y'all don't know me and how I stay so damn true. Y'all don't know